Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to another video for Lemoncraft. In this video I will be making the mini album which is window shape, and I just love it. It's beautiful album base. It's got a cutout window at the front, and it's got a really lovely decoration on the top of the window. And I will be using the papers from Lemoncraft collection called Forget Me Not. To start with, I am going to ink the edges of my album base. I'm going to ink it with the Vintage Photo Distress ink, and I'm going around all edges on both sides of each page of the album. I am doing that to give it a nice vintage look, and then I will be creating some template. I could say a template which will I be using for cutting out the papers to decorate inside of the album. So I have a piece of cardboard. It's like thick card, and I draw around the album page, but I want my template to be slightly smaller, so I cut out first the exact shape, and then I put the album a little below the edge, the top edge, draw line again, and also I will draw lines on the sides. And this allow me to cut out smaller piece. I want my pages to be slightly smaller than my album, and I will also ink the edges of my paper as well. So I want just to give it a nice vintage look. And I like I said, I'm using the papers from Forget Me Not collection. So what I do, I just take the template, draw the shape around of it on the paper chosen, and I will do that for all of my pages of the album, not for the cover. The whole album will be in blue and brown with a touch of green. I'm not going to do much to the cover. I'm just going to decorate it with the flowers. And I decided not to decorate the pages for now. I don't know if I will change my mind later, but I thought the papers are so beautiful that I will leave it like that for now. And as you can see, I'm going to ink the edges of all of my papers before I stick them to my album. And then I will be sticking them on, and also die cut a little rings where I'm going to stick in the places where are the holes on the album. So I stick one side of I cover one side of the page with the paper, stick it on, then I will make holes, and then I will stick the paper on the other side and make hole. And the last, I will cover those holes with those little rings just to give it a nice finish. And I will repeat it for all the pages of my album. So as you can see, my album is decorated inside with the papers, and I will be now decorating the cover. I have chosen little flowers, die cut some leaves, and I've got a piece of lace which will be like a little curtain in my window, and I will try to push the windows a little bit up so they look like they slightly opened. And then I will be just sticking on the flowers and leaves. So we'll let you listen to music for few minutes, and we'll talk to you later. I couldn't find any rings to connect the pages, so I decided to use some ribbon and twine together, and I will just pull it through all the holes and will make a bows on the side. I want and actually the album is ready. I want to thank you very much for watching. I hope you like the album, because I do like it. I think it's really adorable and the papers are just beautiful. Please visit Lemoncraft blog for lots of lovely inspirations, and thanks again. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.